What's up, security leaders? It is Michael Bonner here, the speaker, the author, the teacher, the philanthropist. Listen, I'm excited because I'm right here in Atlanta, Georgia, but I get a chance to speak to you, yes, you, at the Executive Leadership Workshops at ESX in Cobb County on June 16th. Come on now, the home of the Atlanta Braves, and we are going to have a time. Let me tell you something. Be prepared to be engaged, to laugh, to be informed, to be ignited, and I have a new speech built for you. I wrote it down. The title of it is called Battling Burnout, How the Best Leaders Inspire, Support, and Motivate Teams. Listen, we're going to talk about purpose. We're going to talk about building a better culture. We're going to talk about strategies to ignite your passion. But I have some real beautiful, incredible things that are going to help you be more efficient, especially in 2025. Make sure you sign up. Make sure you get there. And if you're ready to take your leadership to the next level at ESX in 2025, I'm definitely going to be there to make sure we make that happen. I can't wait to see you there. Take care.